Okay, friends, let's talk about discounts. Not just any discounts, but discount codes specifically for Setmore. If you're a business owner using Setmore or you're considering it, this is going to be a game changer. Now, before we dive into the how-to, let's address the elephant in the room. Why would you want to offer discounts in the first place? Well, there are a few reasons. Discounts can be a great way to attract new customers, incentivize repeat business, or simply boost sales during slow periods. So, how do you create a discount code in Setmore? It's actually quite easy. Just follow these simple steps. Log in to your Setmore account. Click on the Settings tab. Select Payments. Click on the Add Charges or Reductions button. Enter the details of your discount code, such as the name, amount, and expiration date. Click Save. That's it. Your discount code is now active and ready to be used by your customers. But wait, there's more. You can also customize your discount code to make it more appealing to your customers. For example, you can offer a percentage discount or a flat dollar amount. You can also set a limit on the number of times the code can be used, or you can make it valid for a specific period of time. Once you've created your discount code, you can share it with your customers in a variety of ways. You can add it to your website, send it out in an email newsletter, or promote it on social media. Using discount codes is a great way to attract new customers and boost your business. So what are you waiting for? Create a discount code today and start saving. In addition to the above, here are some other tips for creating and using discount codes in Setmore. Use a clear and concise call to action. For example, use discount code Summer 2023 to save 10% on your next appointment. Make sure your discount code is easy to remember. Avoid using long, complicated codes that are difficult for customers to type. Promote your discount code in multiple channels. This will help you reach a wider audience and increase the chances of people using your code. Track the results of your discount code campaigns. This will help you determine which codes are most effective and make adjustments accordingly. By following these tips, you can create and use discount codes that will help you grow your business. In conclusion, discount codes are a great way to attract new customers, incentivize repeat business, and boost sales. They are easy to create and use in Setmore, and they can be customized to meet your specific needs. So what are you waiting for? Create a discount code today and start saving. I hope this script is helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.